Hey guys, good morning, welcome to another live session of Stocksnipertrading. My name is Dave, guys, my partner is Ron. Let's get down to business here, guys.
In on US30, sell, okay? I'm jumping in. Guys, that's a 100 pip drop. Yes, we caught it. Hey, guys, 200 pips, please, secure.
Trading with a perfect broker is the key, which takes you one step ahead. At AAAFX, we have you covered. The future of Forex is zero commission. Here at AAAFX, we offer ultra low commission, which starts at 99 cents per lot. Our account's spreads start from 0.0 pips. With account leverage up to 500x, and can have a minimum deposit of $100, with an additional 100% deposit bonus, regulated by HMC Greece, compliant with ESMA, EU, regulated with FSCA, South Africa. Nothing to lose, but something to gain. Trade with the world's most liquid market provider, AFX, recommended by Stocksnipertrading. To get started, use the affiliate link below.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stocksnipertrading, we have a recommended broker, that is HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to another live session with Stocksnipertrading. Today's gonna be a good day, guys. I have a feeling of it. We have 8:30 news coming in. We have core PPI and retail sales for USD. So main focus for us, guys, is going to be 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. You can see it right on the screen right now. Okay. But guys, before that, I hope everyone's having a good morning so far. I hope London was good, and I hopefully the overall day is just going really good for you guys. Okay. Make sure to check the description box, guys. It's not a buy or sell channel here. We're here to provide free technical and fundamental analysis. Any trades taken upon yourself. We're not financial advisors, so please keep that in mind. All right. For our recommended brokers, we have AAAFX, we have HankoTrade. Both have their benefits. Please check them out. HankoTrade is available worldwide, dealing with crypto, and AAAFX is just sanctioned. So make sure to please review, and if they allow you to sign up, please download a demo account and see how they work. Okay. Our recommended platform for liquidity and order flow right now is Bookmap, okay, but we might be looking to change that up. There's been quite a few people messaging us, so we'll keep you updated. And our recommended prop firm right now is my Forex Fund. Stocksnipertrading will give you 5% off, okay? So guys, welcome Shahab. Please give him a nice round of applause. He's always in here giving his time, supporting the stream, and much love to him, okay? But guys, with that being said here, okay, you can see this is our main focus. Let's head over to the chart and we'll take a look at gold and the US dollar index right off the bat. Okay. So guys, right away you can see gold on the daily. Look at this big move, guys, from 1620, okay, all the way up to we're now currently trading at 1916. So such a big move has happened in the last little bit. I'm sure we've all been focused on this and really excited to see the next big moves on gold. Okay. So you can see here right now on the daily, guys, we made a nice little high around 1930. All right, had a short-term pullback. Okay, and then you can see we're starting to find some support level at that 1896, and we have had the similar kind of pullback before. You can see on January 5th, and then you can see the nice bullish movement, and you can see even on January 17th. Okay, guys, let me full screen this so we can all be on the same page and you can get a little bit better view. All right, so with that being said, we're going to do a high and a low, top and bottom, and we are then going to start with our top down leading into the 5-minute time frame. Okay, and then we'll do the same thing. We'll look at key levels for the DXY, exactly kind of how we did it before. So let's get ready to rock. Let me just quickly update this, guys. Get the crosshair. It's a little thick for me, and we're going to, there we go, perfect. Okay, so let's get some daily support rolling. All right, guys, and remember, this is just biased towards my charting. You don't need to use support and resistance. It's up to you. All right, if you are just a freestyle price action trader, you understand that we're just using this to show key levels for people who are still starting out. Okay, and then we have some daily resistance just right above. All right, let's take a peek now at the 4-hour. All right, you can see what we're trading in here, finding a nice bullish support. Okay, we're going to just move this over here, get that bottom wick, and then we're going to just update this real quick. Okay, perfect. My next level is going to be the current candle on the 4-hour, which is going to be our 4-hour support so far. Okay, then we're going to look at our resistance level coming right on the second candle in terms of bearish momentum that happened on the 15th. All right, you can see price has not broken above their rate as of right now, but we're testing it again, guys. That right there, this candle is extremely bullish, a nice bullish engulfing candlestick. So this is telling us something here, that we are in a buying trend, clearly, obviously from that 1620 area. Okay, so let's get some 4-hour resistance. Okay, with that being said, let's break it down to the hourly here. Okay, not going to do too much if price is already at good areas, and it seems like it is. Okay, so let's just kind of update everything we got going on here. All right, and you can see the daily starting to happen, and then as we showed on the 4-hour, you can see here nothing is broken above, so we're going to use the hourly as well. Just to the left here, we're going to use the top wick, and you can see price is getting some rejection level at that 1916 level. Okay, so we have some 1-hour resistance. All right, guys, also if you want, make sure to smash the like button here. We're obviously, our goal is 300, but we've been smashing past that lately. So if you guys want to get us to, we're going to have a new goal of 500 for every stream. So if you guys want to smash that like button, please do so whenever you can. It's greatly appreciated. So 1-hour support. All right, let's take a peek now at our 15-minute, and you can see, guys, look at this trend here. This is wild. Okay, still crazy bullish. Okay, nice double bottom starting from 1899, 1900, and we haven't looked back since. Every pullback has been pretty much denied in terms of, you know, the support levels. We have found good key buying momentum once this price broke above key resistance. So you can see if we drag this to the left, okay, on gold, look at that ignited candle here, no lower wick. Okay, nice continuation, broke through, made a high, retested the previous resistance, as you can see to the left here, and then we held, and we're starting to walk our way to the upside, which is just your overall continuation. So if gold gets bearish, guys, we're going to have a lot of volume getting in the market at this current time, which at 8:30 it will have the type of volume we need. Okay, but again, whether it's going to go bearish, we're going to have to watch price action based on that time. All right, so let's dive in here and let's focus on the key areas that we're actually trading right now. So we have hourly resistance. I'm going to find some 15-minute support level here. That up a little bit, and then about 6 minutes left here. Okay, which is going to give us our 7:40 time. All right, and we're just going to leave these key levels here. 1918 is the next level target, and then obviously 1920, which is the 4-hour. Okay, so mark that up as our 15-minute support, and then we're going to add a nice 5-minute level right here. Okay, so guys, I'm just going to mark up a key level. Okay, give me 1 second here. 1915.5. All right, just a key level to watch on gold. Okay, we're going to mark that right near our 15, and we're going to update it to red. All right, right near the 15-minute. Okay, so breaking down now. You can see we're right on that 15-minute time frame. Okay. So guys, let's just mark up some levels here. In terms of the 5-minute, we're going to add some alarms as well. Okay, so we're going to create that 15-minute supposedly break. Okay, you can talk about it at that 1915.5, and if we do break, guys, like I said, 1914 will be a critical support level, and if price does want to break, you know, we can get back to maybe 1910 before a possible overall bigger move. Okay, so let's take a look at the dollar index. Okay, so US 30 still bullish, Nasdaq still bullish. Okay, German 30 is bullish. All right, then we have GBP USD looking to sell off, and then here's their dollar index, guys. Okay, we had looking like Renko candles to the left. Price is broken down, and you know, we're starting to get a little bit of retracement here. There is a nice resistance at 102.2. Okay, so we're going to add this in here. Okay, as our resistance, and then our next level support, which happened at around 101. Okay, 101.8, 101.9. All right, so this is the range we're trading in here. I'm going to set an alarm just in case we do continue in the bearish momentum. It looks pretty strong actually if we do not break that 102.2 level. Okay, and in terms of strength, it looks like it could obviously sink to the downside. All right, so we're going to actually mark up one more critical level to the left. Okay, and we're going to have this as one of our alarms going off. All right, so we got two alarms here looking good. Okay, let's get the noise and the consolidation level out of the way here. Okay, let's make that real quick. Okay, so nice consolidation zone, and we're waiting for the next big move on the dollar index to happen. I'm just going to quickly take a look. 102.35. Okay, mark that up here. There we go. Okay. All right, guys, so let's just be cautious and careful. All right, we're coming to that 745 candle. All right, you can see everything is starting to hold some bullish momentum. Okay, you can see the Dow is just holding on that 1915.5. Sorry, gold is holding at 1915.5. You can see it's testing it right now. Pretty critical level here. And it's testing, trying to sell into a lot of support here. So let's watch and see. Let's watch this candle close. And then, guys, right near about, you know, 755, 750 time, we'll take a look at some indices. Okay. Guys, is everyone having a good morning so far? Where's everyone from, actually? Haven't asked that in the stream in a little bit, but where's everyone from on YouTube? Members in Zoom, I do know where a lot of you are from, but for all the new members, which you do have a lot, it'd be nice to pick up where everyone is actually located. I got some Germany, some Nambia. Welcome, guys. South France, Ireland, Malta. Yeah, no, I remember Mark. San Diego. Nice. I was just in California, guys, in Los Angeles. Like I was saying, it's definitely a place that, you know, you want to be very cautious and careful in. So, Thunder Bay, Germany, Philly, Kenya. There we go. Vancouver, welcome, guys. Like I said, if you're Canadian, you're supporting a Canadian stream, which is huge. Karen, hey, there you are. Minnesota, there we go. And Kith, Switzerland. Okay. Sao Paulo, Brazil. West Virginia, welcome, guys. Albania, my man. Sri Lanka, guys, it's pretty cool to see all these areas, you know what I mean, where people are living. It just goes to show you that trading is obviously multifaceted from around the world. Everyone wants to be a part of it. You know, personally, guys, I am from Canada, and it's good to be having this worldwide community, guys. So represent and welcome to the stream. I didn't actually go to the Bay, guys. No, I didn't go to anything in the Bay. I was just stuck downtown right near the crypto center. So 38 seconds, guys. Let's see how this candle is going to close. Guys, just to let you know, I am in gold from 1916, okay, personally, and I'm up 9 pips. All right, 1916.38. So let's take a peek at the overall picture here, guys, and let's set up some. Let's set up an oil level here. Let's take a peek at good old oil. I don't know if you guys followed the free FX group, but I definitely want to share this with you. Yesterday, I don't know if you guys remember that oil setup. Okay, that thing actually sold off for around 100 plus pips. All right, yesterday. So I'm going to drop this link in there if you guys want to join in. You know, we do drop some trades every now and then, so you can check it out and just keeping updated with the community is very good. We do it through here, and we do it also in our Discord. Okay. Okay. I am in a short on gold from the top though, 1916. All right, 0.5, 0.3 area, and I'm just waiting for overall price to make its move on that new hourly. But we're watching the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so right now, if you take a look, okay, you guys see what we're kind of forming here. Pretty straightforward. All right, nice little chart pattern coming into play. Do you guys know what type of pattern this is kind of showing? Okay. So there's your retest on that 1915.5. Bearish, yes, it looks like a nice little wedge. Okay, guys, I'm currently running 10 pips in and out. All right, and you can see gold is starting to sell off here. So watch the support at 1914, please. Okay, watch the support level here. All right, which is showing nice previous structure support. So for 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes, we've been held up around this area. So we do know that they have started to build some nice support. Okay, so let's watch and see here. Let's take a quick look on oil, guys. All right, so take a look. We're at the 81.69 level. Okay, so what I'm going to do, give me 1 second here. Let's see what we got going on. All right. So let's look at 81. Okay, you can see they're holding this like pretty strong around that 81.5 level. Let's take a look at 81.23. Okay, 81.23. All right, just right below. So that's going to be a critical support level right now. You can see it was once acting as resistance here, selling off multiple times. So this level is going to be a critical support now, and we're going to watch and see how price is going to react when we get here. Okay. Okay, and everything is now continuing bullish into that 750 time, guys. 750, you can see gold is starting to hold here. Okay, so critical level on gold, you can see nice support is forming, and we're going to watch and see what's going to happen around that hourly swap, which is going to be our 7 a.m. all the way to 8. Okay, and let's take a peek real quick at look at NASDAQ, look at the Dow here, beautiful price movement. All right, and we have GBP holding still strong, and then you can see what's going on with that DXY. Okay, so let's find one more support level on this dollar index. Okay, and then you can see we have it pretty much consolidated, looking for that next big move. Okay, and remember how we said that 102.2 level is a strong resistance. Okay, you can see that nothing is even coming up and tapping here. All right, we're starting to close roughly around that 102.818, 102.175 level. Okay, so let's see here. If we break this, guys, we're definitely coming back down to that 101.9. It's been there before. Okay, so let's be very cautious and take a peek at this hourly swap coming in for the DXY. Okay, everything is still holding nice bullish. Okay, German 30, a little bit of sell coming in. Nasdaq made a high and about 6-second close here. Okay, look at DAX and Dow, very similar. And then you can see gold is still holding that support level. Okay, so let's mark up the noise we got going on here. All right, still holding. And there's our zone, very similar to the DXY. All right, so I'm picturing a nice little retest around 1917, okay, which is the critical 1 hour resistance, and we're going to see how price is going to react based on that. All right, but again, remember we held that nice trend, still holding strong here. Everything is still pushing in and around that bullish direction. Okay, and let's take a look at oil here. Okay, oil is still floating good. Okay, I do see another key resistance level coming in, which is right at the high around that 81.8, 81.9 level, 85. Okay, so let's watch and see. Okay, Goldie just skyrocketed. Everything is finding that nice support level. Remember we talked about there's some nice support. 1915.5 is still holding. Okay, so remember what I said, 1917, testing that level, and we're probably going to come up to 1919, maybe 1920. Okay, so the strength is still very strong. Okay, and current time is about 7:51 here, so we got about 9 minutes until that change up. All right, so let's take a peek quickly at Nasdaq and US 30. Still very strong here, guys. Okay, nasty, still holding. I'm really interested to see what happens with Nasdaq today, guys. Okay, so let's take a look quickly at the daily. All right, if you remember yesterday, okay, we had a nice little push at market open. All right, and then we're finding that key level sell-off which happened. But take a look at overall. Take a look at January 6th. Ever since then, we have not stopped. Price, you know, if we make it all the way back up to 11,800 and it starts to break that level, look at that tall long wick right up here at that 12,200 mark. Okay, so this is in a range right now on the daily. All right, we're just bouncing in and out of key level areas right here. So I'm interested to see definitely this news coming in. It has a lot of opportunity to push Nasdaq and maybe get us to that 11,000, possible 800. Okay, if not 11,700, and then we're going to see our next big move coming from there. All right. So let's just mark up that tall wick. All right, on the 5, and then we're going to mark up this. Were you guys trading around this time? Okay, 2140. You can see that was when big JPY spike happened. And you can see that we haven't kind of stopped since then. It's just been in a nice little range from that bearish candle, which we're testing around that 11,590. Okay, and we found the support around 11,540, 530 area. All right, so this is the range we're working with on Nasdaq, and it's going to be really interesting to see how the next little bit is going to come to play. All right, and we're going to do a little bit of a top down. I just want to see these key levels right here. Okay. Yep, BOJ, absolutely. Okay, so let's add an alarm. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to mark up one key level here too, just at the support. And we're going to mark that as an alarm as well. Okay. Dow's the same thing here. Okay. Same candle, 2140. All right. And you can see we have not slowed down since. It's nice and bullish. Okay. Goldie's still holding with a little bit of resistance at 1918. All right. And you can see what's happening on oil as well. A nice 81.85 is getting rejected. Okay. Guys, I don't do UJ. All right. If you guys want to do it, you know, there might be some other key streamers that will help you out with that. All right. So you can go check them out. I have no idea if there is actually or not. Okay. So strength still holding. And then GU look at perfect support level on GBP USD bouncing. And guys, right now we're just kind of hovering, looking around, waiting for the right opportunities and the trades to come to us. All right. And you can see what's happening on that DXY. I'm just going to actually mark this as red so we don't get confused about why this white line is there. Okay. So here NASDAQ goes, coming to that top wick at the 2140 time. Okay, you can see we're still pushing. All right. And if we do break above here, guys, you can see we have that 11,612, 615. Okay, and look at gold. Guys, yeah, the stream is going to have a little bit of a lag. All right, it's not going to have too much, but it is looking at maybe 15 to 20 seconds depending on where you're at in the world. Okay. Okay, so still holding right around the hourly. Let's take a look at the RSI here. You can see a little bit of divergence showing, all right, leading into that news. We'll mark up the 50 line here, which is acting as support and resistance. So we'll get that bad boy rolling here. And we'll take a look at our moving averages just quickly. You can see we're holding above the 9, all right. Let's take a look at also the 200 EMA. We are above, okay, so still holding nice bullish support, you know, floating support and resistance level on that 9 EMA. All right, so we're going to hold the 9 on there. Let's just quickly check with the scanner, see what we got going on. All right, guys, so GBP USD is showing oversold on the 30-minute, 1 hour, and 4 hour based on RSI and a few other indicators. Okay, we have US 30 on the 5-minute showing over bought territory. Okay, and then same with gold on the daily. And then we have 4-hour US oil. Okay. So we're going to update that and just monitor these levels coming in. And we've got about 2 minutes left here. All right. And we're going to see how price is going to react, switching from that hourly onwards. Okay. Then there's oil here still holding nice and strong. And there goes NASDAQ, guys. Okay, NASDAQ is getting that nice break. Okay, about 1:30 here. All right, so let's watch and see. We're probably going to come up and tap that 11,600, which is the top wick, okay, of previous close. And if we do get a nice push past there, we're getting to that 11,612. Okay, so we got, here we go, just under 30 seconds. Let's see how gold is going to close. You have US 30 coming to a critical point too, very similar and looking at the same structure as NASDAQ. Okay, you can see gold is still holding here. Okay, members, I'm going to update you real quick just on the Dow. All right, so monitor this accordingly. You can see a nice little push, little resistance coming in right at that 1 minute, 1 second changeover. So here we go. Okay, members, if this was you guys, this is the Dow buy, updated at 3. Okay, and you can still see that we're still running in it today. A little bit of retest. All right, you can see how it's around about 50 pips coming in. So if you guys are still in on that, all right, please remember we're coming back down to the 9. Start to secure some percentage of the trade, and then go from there. Okay, so we're going to keep that level on just to watch. Okay, and here we go. NASDAQ as well. Nice resistance. Okay, coming into previous resistance level at that 11,000, roughly 11,600. Okay, so guys, listen, I know these trade setups look pretty good right now, but I'm not going to look to do anything until that 8:30 time. Okay, I know you guys are probably wondering why we're taking this slower, but you got to remember, this is what we have coming in today, core PPI. All right, so you can see here how this has been launched. All right, it's producer price index. Okay, so you can see on December 9th it was positive 0.4, and the forecast, it was actually up by 0.2%. Okay, so just keep this in mind here, guys. You can watch news all you want. It has a big impact, but a lot of the times it's manipulation, especially when we're trading live. Okay, especially on the 5-minute candles. Okay, so core retail, then you have retail sales coming in. All right, you can see that was negative 0.2%, and the forecast was positive 0.2. All right, so ex auto sales. If you guys kind of watched, the electric companies were definitely, yeah, I saw gold, guys. Gold is popping up. Okay, the electric companies made for about 10% of all auto sales. Okay, so that's a big thing, guys. Whether they can keep that up or not, that's what we got to watch and make sure we understand. Okay, so just check out some of this if you have any questions. Here's a preview of the forecast. All right, 6 major banks. Let's take a look at this real quick. Census Bureau will release December retail sales based on Wednesday, January the 18th. Okay, so today. As we get closer to the release time, there are forecasts of economic researchers, 6 major banks regarding the upcoming data. Economists expect the U.S. to report only a merger of 0.1% increase of sales after a drop of 0.6. Okay. In November, expectations for retail sales control group are for the second consecutive drop of 0.2, says Citibank. We are expecting a 0.8 MOM decline in total retail sales in December. Okay, which is surprising to me, simply because retail sales, generally skyrocket in December due to Christmas. All right, so this is what I mean. They're saying one thing, we think the other, which is kind of crazy. But again, you want to follow strict price action, okay, rather than go on fundamental news itself. Fundamentals help, absolutely, okay, but obviously that's why we watch price. So there's the dirty here still holding. Okay, there goes Goldie. Remember, we tapped that 4-hour resistance, 1919, 1918. Remember, so we didn't close anywhere above that 9. We're still holding above, still shooting up, breaking that hourly. And if we break here, guys, we can probably come up to, maybe our next key level, which could be 1921, maybe 1922. And then remember, we have the high of 1930. Okay, right around in this level here. So this will be interesting to see how price is going to react coming in on that news. All right. Okay, so critical level support. And we got now the first 5-minute closing in 34 seconds. And I bet you any money the dollar index kind of sold off here. So we'll check that off right when this candle closes and see how the new one opens up. Okay guys, so here we go, new candle opening. You can see we're going to retest that 1919, 1920 area. Okay, a little resistance here. So let's go take a look at that dollar index, guys. The Dow's printing down. You can see Nasdaq's getting clean rejection here. All right, German 30 selling off. GU still holding strong. Okay, and then we talked about the dollar index getting right back down. So that gold push was right to do with this overall break of the 9 EMA. And you can see now we're testing that 102.05859 level, which is the support coming in. Okay. So if we break this structure, guys, look at that nice volume-based candle right here. Okay, if we break this, we can come back down probably to 101.900 like we have the bottom support right here. Okay, this isn't much support. You can see there is buyers that stepped in here multiple times. Okay, but it's weak volume. All right. So, but if this does break, this has no issues of getting back down to 101.9. And we talked about this before. All right, you can see the heavy resistance that's coming in. Okay. So this is why gold is printing. All right. And gold has been bullish for quite some time. But again, this interesting news folders plural, will have a nice amount of momentum coming in. All right. So there goes the Dow, guys. All right, coming right back down. All right, gold is still holding right at 1919. Let's take a look at oil. Oil's still in that range. Okay, so nothing really happening here on pretty much anything. Okay, so here we go. Let's watch this first 10-minute candle close, 5 minutes combined. No, we didn't. We're just waiting here for that 8:30 time. Guys, I got a question too. Does anyone train? Anyone work out? I actually, now that you guys can see me a little bit more on YouTube with the webcam, got a lot of messages about training. I don't know. Does anybody train in the gym? Anybody work out? Kuna, it will be not a boring 30 minutes, but it'll be an interesting 30 minutes to see how price moves right before the news. You know what I mean? Good, guys. We got some people who train. Got some CrossFitters here, 6 times a week. That's good, guys. Well, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm 6'2", 248, 250. Okay. Did some strongman when I was up to 295, 300. Okay, have pictures full proof and weight scale pictures. So I'm a big believer in working out. I think it's very important for the mind. Okay. Very important for the mind. It's a good stress reliever, and the gym is one of the best things for you. So 8 packs, nah man, no 6 packs, no 8 packs here. The only 6 pack that I have is a case of beer in the fridge right below. So you thought I was short. No, 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 I'm 6'2", man. 6'2". You read somewhere that exercise boosts your performance in the markets. I think what it does is probably boost your endorphins. Okay, gives you a little bit more confidence, a little bit less stressed, which definitely has a big impact in the market for sure. So All right, guys, so you can see here we're just dabbling around 1919, nothing really moving. All right, getting a little bit of resistance here. Let's watch these indices as well. Okay. What is the spread on GBP JPY? Let me check this out for you real quick. I have a spread of fluctuating between 5 and 8 on HankoTrade. Okay. All right, so still a little resistance here. Very strong candles still holding price in place. I could see us testing that 9 EMA again, all right, before having a next big move. And you can see what's happening on the Dow. Big rejection coming in here, all right. And here we go. We got the last 4 minutes for that first 8:15 candle, all right. Guys, what are your spreads right now on gold, NASDAQ, and the Dow? What are your guys' spreads looking like? So this is why I said I'm not looking to really short the indices. It's still very strong. Got some 3 here, 2 on Goldie, okay, 0.2, okay. Guys, if also on YouTube, if you guys want, share your brokers that you guys are using here. That way it'll give me a little bit better insight. And obviously, members, I'm kind of getting a lot of people. I remember a lot of people from what they say before. Okay, but the only thing I don't know is obviously the spreads fluctuating in between these news times. Okay, but guys, let's get some news in here. Let's see what people are trading on. Let's help and see if we can get some people onto possible better brokers here. Okay, and it's not to say that people brokers are bad, but some people, they do have some severely lagging ones from what I've heard. Okay, got some 2, got 397 cam, that's a bit high. Okay, FTMO, Hugo's Way, Dominion Markets, very good broker. Okay, VT, Dow 4, gold, oil 3. Okay, Fusion, yeah, Mo, you know, Fusion's very, very good. Okay, Athens, eToro. Okay, oil's 0.26, Mo, yeah, I can see that too actually. Sean, 0.5, Nas. Oh, Sean, you got some nice ones there. Guys, we're starting to get a little bit of fluctuation coming in the market, a little bit of volume here, still holding nice and strong. Okay, look at oil here, still holding in that range. IC Markage, Vantage, MFDAO's 1.3, that's not too bad actually. Okay guys, so here's the cool thing about this. We're sharing our spreads, we're sharing our brokers here, and we shared where we're from. If you guys remember where you guys are from, check out the brokers. Obviously, you just got to make sure that you are eligible to trade with the broker at that time. All right. So just waiting here. We're going to do a little bit of a top down, a little bit more effectively, coming in about maybe 2 minutes. We'll do it on NASDAQ here. You can see NASDAQ is pretty straightforward. We don't really need to do too much, but I definitely just want to see a little bit on the higher time frame. Okay. So let's take a peek here. Let's go look. We got about about a minute and 30 left here. All right. And take a look at NASDAQ, what kind of structure we're in. It's very bullish, guys. Okay. CL, I think we're going to wait until probably that 8:30 time. It's kind of obviously having its pullbacks, but I don't really want to get involved with much until that 8:30. Okay. So in terms of NASDAQ, like I said, that 11,600, 11,620 is definitely an opportunity for us to get to today. All right. You can see just these key levels right up in here. All right. We have So right around in this level, okay, 11,006 has opportunity. Okay, and if we do get rejected here, you can see the top wicks, rejection, rejection on NAS. Okay, we're going to probably have a nice little bullish breakout because the momentum is still very strong. All right, which will have a test at the highs, and then we're going to watch and see how this news release is going to happen. I think they're going to have an impulsive move right before, okay, and then right at that 8:30 they're going to head fake us out and then have a continuation in the overall trend. All right, let me just add this real quick here. There we go. See, test it out. Perfect. All right. So still strong, guys. Let's watch and see. Remember this top wick we have over here? Okay. I can see us tapping and retesting that resistance level pretty strong and then pushing price to the upside here. Okay. At news, we're going to watch and see. So news is coming in. Let's mark up where the news is. It's about 15 minutes away. Let's see what's going on here. And guys, everyone's going to have their own way. All right. If you guys want to trade news, you guys understand what's going to happen here. It's going to be very volatile. All right. There's a lot of opportunity for head fake. News can get us in and out pretty hard. All right. But that's going to be the news. So how far can price push up? That's what we're watching right there. How far can it get rejected at this key level here at that 11,000 roughly 600 area? All right, on NASDAQ. Gold is still printing push. Okay, the Dow is still holding a little bit below that 9 EMA. Then you can see we're right back at that 1919, 1920 level. All right. And then we have our oil. So look at the range on oil, guys. Nothing really happening at this current time. Let's take a look at DAX here real quick. And mark up this level. Okay. Nice and high here. Nice critical support. Showing just below here, guys, at around roughly 15,160. Okay, and heavy resistance coming in at that 15,250 area, right at the high. Okay, so if we continue below and we don't cross and touch above that 15,220, okay, which is right around this level right here on the crosshair, you can see which is the resistance. Okay, I can picture us getting the DAX back down here, 15,190. Okay, in some buying level before we kind of have our next big move on the German 30. Okay. All right, guys, give me 2 seconds here. I quickly got to let out the dog. It's going to be 8:20 in about 2 minutes. Best time to do it so I don't have to interrupt the stream again. I will be right back. My man, System Pro. Appreciate it, dude. It's good to see you again, man. It's Very good to see you. Oh, I appreciate the coffee. Drop your YouTube link in here, dude. Try to get some followers on here. Okay, so gold, you can see that 1920, 1919 area, heavy resistance, guys. Okay, and we're printing right back down. Okay, so testing that 9 EMA. Still a lot of strength, guys. Here we go. And look at the push-pull movement here coming in. So we have 820 now, guys. All right. 820, look at that. Nice Dow rejection coming in off the top. Okay, and then let's see NASDAQ as well. NASDAQ is attempting to go bearish here. Nice double top rejection. All right. And oil is doing the same. We'll go check it out more for sure. I just want to see the DXY real quick, guys. Okay, so remember we're tapping that support. Okay, this is the critical level. All right, 102. Okay, 102.0, 102.04. All right, so this is a nice level they're going to print right before news. All right. Okay, and there it goes, guys. Okay, there's the break of support, and you're going to start to see everything start to rise. Look at GU print bullish. Okay, German 30 a little bit holding below. NASDAQ is still selling. Same with the Dow, we're coming right hard back to that 33880. And then you can see gold, we're still trying to hold. Okay, testing that 1919. All right. All right, and let's go take a peek at that oil like Mo said. So it's still selling off here, holding support. All right, nothing really having any continuations. And we got about 8 minutes, guys, until that news. Okay, now don't let this news kind of scare you too much. Obviously, it's just news. All right, we know how to trade news. We can sit back and watch for 5 minutes and see how the manipulation happens, or you can try to be in it and get the best move possible. All right. And you can see oil is getting some rejection here. Oil is looking pretty bullish, guys, at this time, but that 81.23 will be really a nice critical level to watch coming on oil. Okay, gold is still holding. Okay, you can see the US 30. That's what I mean. I'm not really looking to get involved with anything right now. All right. The best resistance was at 33940, right at the peak, right at the high, which is right up here. Okay. And then NASDAQ still holding above that 9. And then GBP, guys. GU is strong. Do you guys want to do a little bit of GBP USD here? It's kind of correlated to gold. If you guys want, I can do a quick top down on GU. We can watch and see. Oh, look at that spike, man. She be going, guys. KK, I'll have some right after. Okay. Right after. So look at GU, guys. Okay. If we break this resistance, we can come up to 1.25 thousand. Okay. So we have been there many times before, but take a look. This thing is showing a lot of bullish momentum here. Okay. So let's do a quick top down, guys. It's going to lead us into guaranteed that 8:30 time. So we'll do a daily resistance here. I'm going to switch that up real quick to white. Daily resistance still printing push. Okay. And then you can see how some nice daily support starting to hold on the current candle. All right, go to the 4 hour here. I'm going to erase this 9 EMA, guys. Okay, we got our 4 hour here. coming to a critical 24,000. Okay. Mark that up real quick. Now remember, we have a lot of opportunity to push right past these levels here. Okay. So we got some 4-hour resistance, which is a psychological number. We're going to get that 4-hour support, which is right below. Okay, and guys, just remember, this is my bias. It's anyone can do anything they want to do. All right. And you don't need to use support and resistance lines. You can use whatever you feel comfortable with. All right. So here we go. You can see nice higher time frame resistance and support. Okay, and we're right at that hourly here. All right, so we can gather some nice support just below, but this is definitely either going to get pushed or blown past, no doubt in my mind, in the next 5 minutes. Okay, so 1 hour support. Okay, hourly resistance I'm going to keep on the 4-hour. Let's take a look at the 15-minute here. Okay, so pretty straightforward. Okay, critical level is just making higher highs. Higher high. Okay, pretty sure you guys are familiar with this. Higher low. Okay, higher high, low. Higher high, low. And now we're going to come up and see if we're going to tap that 24,000. Okay, most likely looking pretty strong here. But we'll watch and see. It's coming to a possible double top on the 15. And we're going to see if it's going to respect that news or if it's just going to blow past and make a new high. Okay, which is going to come to the daily at 24,485. Okay, and then we're just going to take a peek at the 5 and then watch and see how price is going to react. Okay, GU looks very strong, guys, but if there's going to be any kind of sell here, all right, you can see right at the double top, this would be a little bit of a neckline price. Okay, I think GU can still gain a lot of strength here. Okay, but if we get past that 23,700, that'd be a nice little selling area on GU. Okay, and remember, you're not really gonna have too much time. This news is gonna drop, and we're either gonna be in or out. So my suggestion is, guys, just sit back and relax. Okay. We're going to watch that news come into play. Look at the Dow finding a critical 33,880 as support. Okay, this is the once buy trade. All right, and you can see what's happening on gold. Gold is very, very bullish, guys. Okay, so let's sit back. We got about 2 minutes and 25 seconds left. Sorry. Okay, so don't over leverage, guys. Maybe wait 5-10 minutes. It's up to you. Okay, and then do not trade if you're not comfortable trading news. All right, just remember that, understand it, and so it can all be on the same page. And let's set an alarm real quick on GBP USD. Dow is bullish, Nasdaq bullish, German Dow is nice, guys. And if we don't even get close here, okay, I'm telling you right now, we'll find another level after news. No issues right now. It's still looking pretty strong. And we got our alarm set here. So let's get ready, guys. Let's watch and see how everything is going to come into play. All right. About 1 minute and 10 left. Okay, they are building their hourly support now. Okay, it was once hourly resistance and higher time frame is now holding here. There goes the push. Okay, still a lot of strength here, guys. Nothing closing below. All right, so let's watch and see. If this thing cracks up, we're going to 1925. Okay, If we get this momentum strength here, going to 1925. If not, this thing's going to sell off below 1915. So let's watch and see. Sit back and relax, guys. Don't get greedy here. Remember, we have a lot of opportunities coming in for the rest of the week. You do not need to trade news if you do not feel comfortable with this. All right. Let's watch. Okay, look at that big impulsive move right here. Okay, there we go. 19, what are we at? 1924. Okay, nice big push. NASDAQ tapped the highs. Okay, we got 3. DXY crossed. NASDAQ. All right. There goes the Dow. Look at that NASDAQ big move here coming in. Okay, GU is still strong too, so let it play out, guys. There goes German 30 right back up. There goes GU. Remember we talked about breaking that 2400, coming to that critical level right there, which is the 4-hour. So nothing closed below here. We'll keep that for a little later. Oh, sorry, I wanted to see the DXY, guys. There it goes. Okay, so we tapped the 101 level, 101.9, and we're still sinking off hard. Okay. So watch and see. 101.700 is our next critical TP. All right, and she's dropping like a brick. There it goes. Okay, so let the first 5-minute play out here, guys. All right, everything goes here. Okay, and then there's Goldie. So let's go take a look. We're printing to probably 1925, 1924 level, and let's go take a peek at this retail sales. All right. Okay, and we will see how these got released. Okay, guys, so core retail, you got 0.1 neutral, which was exactly what is forecasted. Okay, negative 1.1 for core retail, all right? And this is why you're seeing everything kind of tank off in terms of the DXY, and we have the big momentum pushes on gold, GBP USD, NASDAQ, and pretty much everything going bullish, okay? Okay, so nothing just yet. Let's watch and see this candle close. Make that full screen. Okay, and we're right back in those Dow. You can see US 30 try to have a nice push. Remember, that was a re-entry if you guys saw that critical level right there. Okay, and look at the big wicks here, guys. Let's watch and see how this candle closes. Okay, same with NASDAQ here. Look at that big momentum push. Okay, and let's see gold open up in about 2 minutes. I want to see oil real quick too. It did really nothing today. Okay, so here we go. Let's see what's going to happen on this close. Okay, about a minute left here, guys. So remember 1915.5, still a critical level. I'm not looking for buys personally, guys. That's just me. I want to see what's going on. Look at the US 30, guys. This thing is a garbage. Look at this. Look at NASDAQ. Oof, not for me. All right, look at German 30, not for me. GU still getting ready, guys. Look at that big impulsive. There goes the Dow. And let's see Goldie here. One at 1.5. So watch, let's see the reversals happening in here, guys. Okay, so perfect, guys. Here's the first 5-minute candle. Okay, so still use critical levels here. All right, 1915 is still an opportunity for a sell. Let's watch and see how price is going to react coming down to that level here. Let's take a peek at NASDAQ too. It's hard to trade when news comes, guys. That's why I tell you to sit out, take a seat. Okay, so here we go. Let's see. Take a look at Nasty here. Look at the Dow. Okay, still getting ready here. So critical level at, see the resistance, guys? 11,591. Okay, so let's watch and let's see if we got a nice little level on NASDAQ here. Okay. Let's take a look here. We'll go right back to gold. Okay, so if we get there on NASDAQ again, 11610, guys, that looks like a nice little drop opportunity. Okay, so let's watch and see. Set an alarm, which is going to be the high. Guys, the mic, trust me, I got one coming on the way here. It's pretty sexy, actually. Noise canceling, exactly how my man said. Okay, so let's get ready and see here. Let's watch. So this looks like, guys, it's not looking like it might be a sell below here. It might actually gain some momentum buying strength, okay? Because like you can see here, there's not much strength in terms of the sell just yet, okay? We can probably get back down here, get some buying momentum anywhere around in 1917, 1915 area, but we'll watch price, okay? Put a stop loss on that breathing. My man, you teach me how to do that, I'll do it for you, no problem. I'll put a trailing stop just for you. I love YouTube, guys. It's amazing to see how many people come in here on the chats. It's so good. All right, guys, let's watch and see here. So if we break this 1 hour, let's watch and see the sell. Okay. A lot of support is being built here, but there's a lot of momentum selling off. Okay, let's see oil too, guys. Oil is dumping down. Okay, so 81.23 is going to be my target level for potential buying and selling here. All right. Okay, then look at US 30. Still too much momentum, guys. All right. Still too much indecision. So that's why I said let's watch and see. And then same with NASDAQ. And let's see German 30. Okay. Same with GBP USD. All right. So let's watch GU here, guys. We're going to get that alarm. Oh, Goldie. Let's watch. Ooh, 12300, guys. Ooh, BTC. This is sexy for me. I like Bitcoin, guys. Let's go see this chart. Whew, look at that momentum here. We tapped 21,420. All right. I'm on a bullish run on Bitcoin, guys. Oh, yeah. All right. So Goldie, check a look at this, guys. Still holding that strength at that 1917. Kind of talked about that. Bernard, no, I just hold Bitcoin. Okay, and there it goes, guys. Here's the test again, 1920. All right. Guys, scalping Bitcoin and cryptos is it's difficult with the spread, guys. You know what I mean? It's very difficult with the spread. Okay. But on some brokers you might be able to do it. But a lot of the time it's demo accounts that you'll see trading Bitcoin because the spread is very high on all brokers. And trust me when I say, there's been a ton of brokers approaching us. Okay, just letting you guys know. And I've checked out a lot of spreads. All right. Is Forex trading haram? It could be, depending on what kind of trader you are. Okay, and let's take a peek here. Waiting for this candle to close, guys. You can see the Dow is just holding right at that level. Look at NASDAQ. This is not something you want to be a part of, okay? And then you got the breakdown on the German 30. Okay, personally, I think NASDAQ is going to break down. All right, you can see it's already 1610 level. So let's watch and see what we got coming on right around down here, okay? So we'll set an alarm. Okay, and then you can see the Dow is closing below 33880. Nice selling opportunities. All right, so let's watch the break even close below here, okay? Let's move this down. We have a critical support level here starting to hold. All right. So we're right in the zone, okay? Just broke to 50. If we break down below here, guys, okay, it can probably come back down to at least 33,780, but I'm giving this a little bit of time. I'm watching that 8:45 time. Okay, there goes gold. Okay, so here we go, guys. Let's see. Okay, so here we're coming 1915. Okay. And we got that 8:45 coming in. All right. Still don't like this price movement here. Going to give this a bit of time. We do have 930 still, so just put a break on it if you guys have not pulled any trades. You can see that it's a lot of indecision. You can see oil is breaking down possibly too. All right, we're coming to that CRE level on oil, which is going to be 81.23. And here we go. Around 17 minutes until the new change up, and here goes gold, guys. There we go. See the hold, 1915. Did you want? No. Okay, so still strength pushing. Okay, and nothing closing below for anything yet. Let's take a look at the Dow Jones still holding. Okay, nice bullish momentum. Parat keeps saying, here we go, and nothing happens. Well, if you look, okay, my man, here we go. Do you want to be part of this? Do you guys want to be part of this kind of trading? I'm saying here we go to make sure you guys understand there's 15-minute switchover. It's up to you guys though. Okay, so still changing that time over. Here we go, guys. Okay, here it is. And you can see the resistance level that's starting to come into place. So let's go check out the rest of them. This is our 8:45 time, guys. Okay, look at German 30 still holding. All right, look at GBP USD still holding strong. Okay, a lot of bullish momentum here. There goes the Dow, big buys. Okay, it's starting to fill that wick. And then we got that oil coming right back down. All right. Okay, still strong, guys. Look at the Dow here. Okay, so if we break that level, this looks like a nice buying opportunity right in here. Just found off some nice level support. So if we break, guys, we're looking for possible Dow buys filling that wick. Okay, so let's watch and see. I'm going to enter in on a small little Dow buy. Let's see. I want to see the candle close here in about 3 minutes. Okay, there it goes. Nice Dow buy here coming in. Let's see if we're going to fill that wick. Okay. So if you guys didn't get anything yet, just watch and see price. You can still see we have 2 minutes left. Let's see how we're going to go. Okay, we're going to see this momentum, put it on here. Once we get in that 2-minute zone, that's what I'm looking for on the retest. Okay, so let's watch and see. If we don't close above here, guys, still going to get rejected and pushed back down. There price goes. Let's see if we can get that continuation. Okay, so remember we're coming to a nice little resistance level here. Okay, to break above. Like I said, we got that tall wick to the left too, okay? Don't get greedy. If you missed the entry, because like I said, I did say that was kind of fast. So watch and see the minute and 23 close, okay? If you missed it, watch and see the minute 23. And it's pushing pretty hard right now with a little bit of momentum here, okay? So Nasdaq is shooting in some buys here. US 30 was shooting in buys. Okay, you can see Nasdaq is right at that 11,610. Okay, so if you missed that, let's watch and see price how we're going to react in the next minute. Okay. And let's see gold too. Let's add an alarm right here. And we got gold here, a little bit of resistance. Okay, 1920. Look at the momentum on gold. Still holding nice and bullish. Okay, nothing closing below. I'm still a little bit biased towards the sells, but we'll watch and see here. Okay, there goes NASDAQ right at that 1610. You can see the Dow is printing push. Okay, there's about 15 seconds left, guys. So if you missed this one, let's watch and see how candle's going to open up. Okay, so let's watch and see. Let's watch the retest candle here. Okay. So take a peek, guys. You can see we're right at that 50 line. All right. So if nothing closes above here, let's watch price. We're getting about 4 minutes and 20 seconds left. Okay. They're closing a little bit weak here. You can see the momentum candle. Sorry, guys, stupid chart. This candle right here is a weak open. Okay, you can see right here, we're starting to get a little bit of wick down. Okay, price is closing below. Okay, you can see the wick right. Sorry, guys, this thing's a pain in the ass. All right, so we need to see this wick breaking above this preceding wick right here. If you use my crosshair, right at that 33930. Okay. If it doesn't, we're going to get a retest, possibly coming back in at that 33900. Okay. So let's take a look at that DXY here too, guys. Okay. NASDAQ is still holding. Okay, and you got German 30 still pushing up. Look at GU still printing, guys. Nothing closing below here, so we can just erase that for later. Okay, we're still printing nice buying momentum, and this is what I wanted to see right here. Okay, there we go. So 101,700. We'll set that alarm. Okay, and then you can see we're probably going to get a little bit of a bounce here, guys. So just be prepared for that psychological number to be tapped. Okay, you can see GU's printing, German 30's printing, NASDAQ is shooting up. You can see the Dow is the only one lagging. Okay, it printed a nice little opportunity for an initial buy down here. We kind of missed it. Okay, so if we're not going to get this retest, the price is going to come back down to probably that 33900. Okay. And then look at gold. Okay, so gold is still pushing to the upside here, 1925. I think we're going to get to 1924 level. Everything is printing bullish. I'm not on any gold buys, guys. Nope. I'm waiting for it to get to around 1924, 1925. And then there's the Dow. So watch and see the retest here. And see how it's going to go. I'm waiting for a retest on the initial entry on this. Okay. I want to see it come back down and touch that 33910, which is just the previous structure. Okay. That's it. If it doesn't get in there and it doesn't hold above, I'm going to null the trade and just leave it alone. Okay. So here's the retest. Okay. Let's see what we got going on. Let's see the new candle coming up in about a minute. Let's see NASDAQ too. We're pushing very high on NASDAQ as well. Okay, so here it is. Let's see, guys. We got 5 minutes before that new hourly coming in. All right. Six seconds, guys. New candle, here we go. Okay, that's a weak close. Okay, take a look what we got going on here. This candle right here. Sorry, guys, this thing is garbage. This candle right here. If we show, this is a very weak volume-based candle. Okay, buying is still strong. You can see the wick was very much closed below the preceding wick at the high. Okay, so there is little to no buying volume still coming in here. The sellers are still taking control at this time. So let's watch and see if we can get that retest down in here. If we can pick up a wick, there it goes. Okay. Let's see if we can get that continuation. Okay, so here's the retest, guys. Let's see if it's going to retest here. Three minutes and 30 seconds, okay? If we come out down in this level here, if we miss this and it comes back, okay, we can look for opportunities down in here too. Okay, we were just focused on some other things, but this level still looks pretty good. Let's watch and see this retest. All right, so we'll take a look at gold here, making some highs and some push back down. All right. Guys, so I just kind of looked at some of the chat on YouTube. You guys said you guys are whipping accounts. Did you guys enter in gold sells, gold buys? What did you guys do? Because the only trade I've ever taken is one trade right now. And there's the retest, guys. Let's see. Okay, here's the retest. Let's watch and see how we're going to hold on this trade. Okay, right in here. About 2 minutes and 40 seconds. All right. So a couple things can happen. Price can come back up. Okay, so we're watching for a retest down here. We're looking for, obviously, if we break down below this structure right here, guys, it's still going to sell. If price can pick up some volume in and around here, obviously we can start to walk back up. All right. I still have yet to take a trade, guys. Just letting you guys know. All right. I'm watching this US 30 trade. And I'm looking for some gold sells if it does get back down to that level here. I'm watching for 1920. Gold sell over leveraged. The keyword was over leveraged, guys. Okay, let's go take a look at gold here too. So there it goes. Okay, right back down. Right at oil here, coming right back, guys. No stop loss. That's a number one key thing, guys, too. Let's watch and see what's going to happen at that 81.23. Okay. So this is a nice little area here where price has found some support once before. If we do break this short position here, like I said, this can look like a nice opportunity for a gold sell. Sorry, for a oil sell. So let's watch and see. If we don't close below here, guys, this was almost the same level as yesterday. All right. US 30 is picking up some volume here, so there's one of two things. Print, nice buying opportunity, or if we close below here, okay, we can look for a sell for the continuation. All right. So Dow's looking pretty good, actually. Isn't there news every day? There is news every day, but everything has a different factor into the market. That's one thing you got to keep in mind. Okay, there goes gold, still printing down. Okay, there goes the Dow. Here's the retest, guys. Let's see if we can get that hold. Okay, let's watch the candle close in about 15 seconds. Okay, there it goes. Let's see here. Closing below again, weak. Okay, so take a look here. Okay, so take a look at these wicks. All right, you have a candle buy here, right, closed. Then you have two candles closing below this previous wick. For this momentum to continue, we got to hold this level here. Okay, nice support. You can see price picking up some bottom wicks here. This is still a little bit indecisive for me. We're at 9 o'clock now, guys. Okay, 9 a.m. All right, so if you guys are not comfortable, just sit back and relax. We don't need to trade this. Okay, I personally don't look for anything until 9:30 once we cross over to that 9 a.m. time. So right now, I'm not going to look to take this. Okay, you can see it's not holding right now. It's still looking pretty bearish at this time. I still think that we can probably get some bullish momentum stepping in here. All right. But right now, I'm going to leave this alone. But watch this trade. We're going to leave it on here until 9:30 and then make some quick updates. All right. And you can see gold. All right. Okay, so here we start to fall, guys. Let's watch 1920. Okay. 1920.5. That's my key level right there. 1920.5. Okay, so still strong here. Then we got oil testing the lows here, 81.25. Okay, take a look. We pierced through. Let's watch and see if we're going to get a closure above here. There's still 2 minutes and 30 seconds, just a little bit of a wick. Okay, they're picking price back up. All right. So nothing closing below here. Buyers are stepping in. Okay. So a very weak trade coming in here, and it's following suit with the overall momentum rate in the previous direction. So this would have been actually flipped. Okay. And looked better in the buys. Okay. So let's watch and see how price is going to react in the next 2 minutes close of the first 5-minute candle of the hourly open. Okay. And guys, look at that 1920.5. That's going to be a critical level for me. Okay. The Dow Jones still holding selling momentum right now. Okay. So nothing is currently trading for what we want. But again, 1920.5 is where I will look to take my sell if we start to close below. Okay, and take a look at the Dow. Remember we talked about closing below and above. Okay, there was no support level hold. All right, price just came back down, broke that 33,909, and we're going to probably come back down to at least 3388. Okay. Okay, so there's the picking up of volume here. If we hold here, guys, I might take a buy, just personally leading into the New York Open. That's a lot of momentum. Okay. If we break this wick, guys, I'm entering it on a buy. Okay, so still holding. There it goes. Okay. Here's the new candle. Let's see if we're going to tap that previous resistance. Okay, guys, I got in from 33971. I'm running 9 pips. Okay, so a lot of resistance coming in here. Okay, we need the momentum to continue. All right, very similar to NASDAQ. You can see NASDAQ is making some buying power here. Okay, and there goes the Dow. First trade of the day, guys, for me, and I'm running 16 pips. Let's see if we can get that momentum push. There it goes. Okay, there. Perfect, guys. So I'm going to share with you guys the entry. I got my stop loss at break even here. I'm going to send in the free FX group, guys, if you want to check it out. If we don't close above this resistance, guys, I will secure this trade. Okay, NASDAQ, all indices are running, guys. NASDAQ running. Okay, that's why I saw NASDAQ running with the Dow a little bit behind, which is why I ended up taking the Dow. Okay. And you got to ask, where should you place the stop loss? If you guys are running and you guys have any questions, I would now place it below that wick. Okay. Give it a little bit of breathing room and then go from there. Okay, I'm still holding this. I'm running 25 pips on Dow. Did anyone else get in on that with me? The only reason why I took this, okay, was NASDAQ. Okay, 20 pips running in and out here. Okay, so 20, guys. I'm happy with 20. Okay, I'm going to secure this. I don't want to leave this into market open. All right, if it does roll, it does roll. Let it do its thing. Okay, it's making some highs here. And she's still running. Okay. So let's go take a look at gold. It's at the highs here, guys. Take a look right back at that 1924. At 1920.5 is my sell area. Okay. Okay, and let's take a peek here. The Dow is getting a little bit of resistance. NASDAQ too. Okay, look at the German 30 coming to a critical 15,250. Okay, so that zone for me and level is going to be a key eye watch zone. You can see right here once previous resistance. So let's watch and see what's going to happen on the DAX. Okay, so here we go. Let's watch once we tap this level here. Okay, so Goldie's pumping. All right, GU's pumping. There we go. Nice little retracement here. Okay, so GU looks like a nice opportunity. Okay, so let's watch and see right now on the 4-hour, guys. Okay, on GBP USD. And let's see that DXY here. We go. So nice support level holding. So let's see if we get this pump, guys. Okay, let's watch Goldie now. I'm getting in on this. Let's watch GU. Getting some more momentum coming in, 8:15. Okay, if we break this GU level, guys, this thing looks pretty opportunistic. You can see we're oversold here. Gil, so are you at 350 profit and you continue to trade? I want to know how much do you make on your day job? I didn't want to talk about this out loud, but how much do you make on your day job? Okay, there's the DXY here, and then the DAX, NASDAQ retracing back down, and there's the Dow Jones. Okay, Gail, so you made 150 over, and you wanted to keep trading. Remember we talked about the plan of 2 to 3 trades. You did 8 to 10, right? That's a lot. Okay, so look at the GU and Dow Jones, guys, retracing back. That's why it's secured. And then you can see Goldie getting still the highs, nothing breaking down on gold. All right. And then oil is still holding nice and strong. Okay. And then there's GU here, guys, looking good. Okay, GU holding, DAX, NASDAQ. You can see the Dow is still ripping here. So watch and see what's going to happen, guys. We're going to see how this is going to close. And the new candle is going to open up. Okay, so about a minute left, guys. Let's watch and see how this closes. There's a lot of momentum stepping in for the buyers here. Okay, a ton. Goldie's still bullish. The market is bullish right now, guys. Let's watch and see what happens on market open. Am I looking to enter GU buy? No, not right now, guys. I want to wait until market open. You can see the DAX was a nice opportunity for a sell here. Okay. I'm going to leave everything alone until that time. All right. You can see there we go, right back down 101.7. Now testing this low. If we break here, guys, all right, this thing is going to be really interesting to see. If we can, oh wow, this is going to fall. Okay, so we're right back down at 101.9. Oh, guys, we got to go to the daily here. 4 hour. If we break this, like I said, we do have some momentum support just below. What lot size do I use, guys? Usually a standard. I don't need much more than that. Okay, so we're going to watch and see what's happening there. So this is going to push print GU and gold. Okay. All right. So there it goes, guys. Everything is buying huge right now. There goes GU, guys. Okay, that's what I said. There goes the pump. Okay, and then gold is pumping as well. Okay, so nothing below 1920. You can see the Dow is still holding here. All right, still gaining a lot of momentum. We just got a crack below above that 33940. I use Hanko right now, guys. Like I said, I'm still waiting for the funding to go through on AAAFX, and then I'll show it for you, no problem. Okay, let's go take a look at Goldie here. Still printing. Okay, back at that 1925. I'm still looking to 1920.5 as the sells. I'm not really looking for anything else. Let it do its thing here. And then 1915.5 will be another sell opportunity for me. Okay, so let's watch and see, guys. I have a pending order at 1920.5. All right, sell stop ready to go. Guys, give me 2 seconds here. I gotta go quickly let the doggy in, and then we'll get ready to rip in terms of market open. Okay, so give me 2 seconds, guys. I will be right back. All right, guys, so you can see here, nice rejection 1925. Okay, so if you guys have been following the stream before, all right, I always say whole numbers. Okay, so 1920, 1925, 1950, 1975, all right, and then 2000. All right, so that's why I'm setting it at 1920. You can see 1925 is getting rejected. We'll watch and see how price is going to react coming into that 9:30 time. It's about 10 minutes. Okay, and we'll watch and see how price is going to. There we go. Here's a little bit of a sell. Okay, let's go take a look at the Dow real quick. So Dow's right back at break even. Okay, so do you see why, guys, how I closed it right here? I closed it right at the high. I'm okay with 15, 20 pips, and you can see it retracing right back down. All right. So just monitor the Dow. This thing can break down, no problem. Okay, so we're going to watch and see now coming in about 3 seconds, which is going to be our 920. Okay, everything is ripping and pipping right now. Okay, 930 could change it all. Just remember that. Okay, 930 can absolutely change everything here. Oh yeah, Microsoft, guys, Amazon, everyone's slashing jobs right now. People are about to witness one of the craziest markets in history. Okay, so holding here, let's take a look at that DXY again. I want to see if we found a little bit of support. There's NASDAQ getting ready. Okay, there's German 30. And then we have GU still printing. And then take a look at the DXY, guys. Okay, this thing is coming back down. My next level is 1015. Okay, if we break here, okay, German, right back. There goes NASDAQ here. You can see the Dow is still holding. If we break this resistance level, guys, I'll take another buy on the Dow. Okay, I want to see Goldie here breaking back down a little bit. Okay, still in free man's land for me. All right. Oh, there we go. Let's see if we can get that push. They want to push it down, guys. All right. This is a fighter's market right now. Okay, and then there's the Dow. Okay, we got 8 minutes, guys. Okay, 8 minutes until some real volume is going to come in. The news was kind of whack, to be honest with you. We didn't get really any continuations. Okay, I'm looking for that wick to be filled up here. Okay, and our TP would on the Dow be 33980. Okay. If we don't close above here, guys, this thing's going to reject, as you can see for multiple times. One here, another. So 15 minutes of sheer resistance, and we're going to push back down. So let's watch and see gold. Okay, here we go. 1920 is approaching. Nas sell here. We got one more. Let's add a key level here on NASDAQ. My analysis is really good. At times it can be. When market is trending and looking good, I think everyone can analyze pretty well, to be honest with you. Okay, so let's watch and see what's going to happen right here. All right, so we got 11. There we go. Okay, so nothing closed above on the Dow or NASDAQ. You can see it's resisting here. Look at the Dow. So nothing tapped, guys. Okay, that was your last area of resistance. Okay, you can see they pushed that down like crazy. Gold's right at our level. I erased the pending order, guys. I just did it right now because I was looking to do the Dow trade. I don't like to have multiple trades open at once. So I'm still looking to sell it. I just took it off a pending order. Okay. So if I do this, it's going to be market execution. All right. Hey, there it goes, guys. Let's see. I'm still ready to buy if this thing breaks above. No problem. Okay, so we got 5 minutes, guys. What do you guys want to trade? Do you guys want to trade Dow? Okay. Or do you guys want to trade NASDAQ? You guys let me know. I'm not going to erase anything on the Dow if we're going to trade this. Okay. Goldie, we can still watch. Okay. We got a pending order. Sorry, not a pending order here. A pending alarm that's going to be set. So let's watch and see what we got going on here. If it doesn't break below here, guys, 1920, this thing is still going to go up. Okay, we're talking probably to 1925 again, 1930. Okay, doesn't really matter to me. And there goes the Dow here. Let's see if we can get that push. Okay, NASDAQ's at a critical level, guys. You can see it's pushing pretty hard right now. Okay, I want to see if price is going to push. Okay, and then we might come back down to this level. This happens pretty much all the time when we're getting these key levels set. Okay, we have a nice impulsive push. Okay, and then you can have a continuation in the sells. All right, but let's watch and see. We're going to keep this level on. Okay, 11,632. Okay, and we're going to watch and see how the market open is going to happen in about 3 minutes. And there goes the Dow, just getting held up at that resistance. Let's see, Goldie here, still holding. Okay, so I'll mark up that sell level here for the short. Don't enter in right away, guys. Let's watch and see how price is going to get there. You can see taking a sell if price closes below here on the 4 hour. Okay, let me pull up the charts here, guys. We got NASDAQ, Dow, gold looks better. Manual, we're going to leave gold alone. We set the alarm set. Okay, we set up NASDAQ. Mo, everything is choppy. I agree with you. And then oil to the moon. Let's take a look at oil. Whoo, guys, look at that big critical support. Okay, so nothing closed below here. You can see nice buying momentum. We're still breaking the high at 81.85. Okay, DXY, this thing is falling hard, guys. Okay, let's take a look. There it goes, right back down to that 1015. And we got about 2 minutes left here. Okay, so NASDAQ, let's watch and see. Okay, and let's watch the Dow here, guys. So see how we're coming right back below on the Dow. I'm going to leave this on here. Okay. And we're going to take a peek at both these guys. We're going to watch both of them open up together. I'll just watch NASDAQ open right at the beginning, and we'll see how Dow is going to move. Okay, so right back down. We got a minute and 30 left. So let's get everything ready to rip here. So guys, if you guys are still holding, is anyone still holding the Dow by any chance? Like I said, I'm out. Okay. Is anyone still holding this? If you guys are, just remember you're about to go through a little bit of a whipsaw due to the market open, all right? Okay, so use trailing stop loss where applicable. Do not over leverage. Use small lot sizes when about to trade. Okay. If new, do not trade during the 9:30 time. Okay, so just keep that in mind. You guys got to understand that. If you're new, do not trade during the 9:30 time. We got a lot of opportunity coming here post market. We got about 20 seconds left. Okay. So let's watch and see how this is going to move. Okay, there's the sell here. That's why I told you guys look to close. Watch and see if they're going to pick up a wick. Okay, let's see NASDAQ here. NASDAQ. Give us some time, guys. Let the volume come in. Let the volume come in. Okay. Let's see the Dow here. This thing holds, guys. This thing's going to print buys all the way back up to our overall TP right up here. Okay, so let's watch. There's NASDAQ tapping that level. Let's watch and see on the Dows. Okay, if we break here again, like I said, I'm taking that buy. Okay, 33991. Let's see how price is going to react. Still market open here. A lot of indecision. Okay, just a little bit of a wick. Let's see NASDAQ here testing the overall 11,632. Let it push. Okay, there goes the Dow here. All right. Goldie did not close and come close to that sell level here. We're still testing that 1924. Okay, so let's add up 1924.7 here. This is where we're going to get ready. Okay, for all of the moves. Let's watch and see how we're going to get into that 1924.7. This is a critical level. Cam, I don't even know what's going on in Discord right now. I'm not watching it. Okay, so Dow did not close above. We're still getting prints on the first 5 minute, guys. So sit back and watch. All right. Let's watch and see what we got going on in here. 1924.7. Okay, and then I'll add another one right down here. So let's watch. And let's go take a look at NASDAQ and everything else, guys. Okay, so there's oil holding. We got gold pushing. You got Dow indecisive right now. Okay. Look at this candle. You don't want to be a part of this. This is not something you want to be a part of at all. Okay, so that's why I said sit back and wait 5 minutes for this candle to close. And then you can see NASDAQ. Take a look. Then we got Dow here. Okay. This right here is so much noise. I do not want to be a part of any of this. Okay, so sit tight here. Okay, and just too much indecision. Look at NASDAQ, same thing. I wish there was more movement, guys. And you can see German 30. Look at GU getting a little bit of resistance here. So we got 1 minute until the candle is going to close. Let's watch and see the new candle open here, okay? And let's see gold real quick. So gold's getting tapped here. Okay, and Dow just tanked off, still holding. Too much indecision, guys. Fuck, this is brutal right now. Okay, so 1924. Let's see the Dow here. See the Dow. So that's why I said wait until the 5 minutes. Take a look. Closing below here. This is too much head fake indecision for me. Okay. As much as I want to get involved in this, guys, I don't. All right. Yeah, Yusuf, we're going to watch that one too. If we do pick up more volume here, okay, this Dow can definitely look like some buying momentum is going to step in here. All right. If not, if we close below this level, 33910, we're going to drop back down to probably our 33843. There goes gold. Let's see if we can get that continuation here in about 3 minutes. Okay, look at oil here, still holding. Everything is still printing, guys. Okay. Okay, low key, guys. I did take that gold sell, 1924. Put it right on the chart. Let's see what we got going on here. I'm going to share it on Free FX group so you guys can see. And just following the notes put on the chart, guys. There it goes. So I shared the chart with you. Okay, I'm running 30 pips on that gold sell. Okay, so we're right at that 1920. Okay, I'm not going to add another position, guys. All right, not going to add another position. I'm just going to hold the one I'm currently in. Okay, and where do you move your stop loss? I would put it right above here. Don't let this thing go bullish. Okay. And if you guys want to check it out, please check out the Free FX group where we got in 1924. Okay. I was waiting for this all morning. Okay, and let's see if it can break here. The Dow broke down, guys, very similar to NASDAQ. There it goes. Okay, so no trade taken on the Dow. Nothing even looked at it. I was looking more at gold. You can see this thing's dropping right back down to 33840. Okay, and same with NASDAQ. Nice big sell at 11,632. Okay. Let's watch and monitor gold. Gold was the one that looked good for me today. I was waiting for this to play out. The Dow was definitely indecisive for me personally to even look at. So 25 pips, guys, currently running. I'm pretty happy with that, to be honest with you. Okay, so 32, 31. Let's see if we can break this. Okay, it's still holding. 25 seconds. Guys, I'm going to exit my gold sell here. I'm very happy with 25 pips. I did a standard, so 250. I'm securing, and I'm out. Okay, so let's watch and see here if we're going to break this level. It just took some time, guys. Like I said, it's still... And you see what I mean about taking some profits on this, guys? and the Dow is printing up in. Let's see. Take a look at this, guys. Look at that big opportunity. A lot of wicks, guys. This is why I said I'm not looking forward to trading this. And this is why, 100%. Look what we got going on. Let's see NASDAQ too. You can see NASDAQ is starting to hold some bullish support as well. And you can see gold is still trying. What a horrible trading day. Let's check what we got going on here, guys. Sorry about that. Okay. So 9 a.m. here. We have a little bit of some folders coming in at 1, okay, for USD, and that's really about it for the rest of the day. Okay, so this should hold true. Okay, there goes the Dow. If we break above here, guys, again, I'm going to take a buy looking for price to continue in that trend. All right, so let's watch and see. It's looking pretty strong here. Okay, look at that resistance level. Multiple attempts to break. They're testing this level again. Okay, 33991. And there goes the break. Okay, let's see if we can get that continuation above. Let's see if we can get that continuation here. All right, guys, I got in from 33991. It's running about 6 pips, pushing in and out. Okay, so let's watch and see if these continuations or push downs. There's a lot of resistance here, so if you guys missed it, don't be chasing right now. Okay. It's holding nice. We just got to break above that wick. 33950. Okay, there it goes. Let's see if we can get that wick push. As soon as we break above here, guys. See how we broke above previous structure here? Now we need to break right here. Okay, so there it goes. Okay, 33991. See if we can get that push. This area right in here, let's mark this up real quick. All right. So that wick, that's noise. Okay, that's noise. The buyers are still good. Okay, guys, I'm running 25 pips on this. Did anyone else grab that Dow buy? There's 30 almost tapping. If you didn't, it's okay. We'll just watch and see. 30 pips. I'm okay with that. And I'm securing, guys. 30 pips, 33991. I'm going to share with you the trades that I've done today. So see what I mean about missing that? If you didn't, don't chase. Look at that piece of shit wick. Look at that thing. Too much manipulation coming in, guys. Right back to the support, getting resisted at the resistance. You can see gold is still testing that 1920. Okay, so now we're getting into some good trading, guys. Let's see if we can break this, guys. Let's see. Okay, there's the Dow here. It's still believed that it can push back up, but this is a heavy wick down, guys. The buyers are still in control, but this is a heavy wick. Okay, so now we got to break the previous structure one more time right here. All right, see if we can get that up. If that's the case, let's see if we can fill these wicks. If not, they're closing below. This thing's going to drop back down into the noise area right here. Okay, there goes the Dow drop. Look at this, guys. Look at these wicks here. My goodness. Okay, there goes gold just dropping down. Okay, let's see if we can get back down to that 1917 area. Okay, a lot of resistance and support coming in. And look at the wicks we got going on here, guys. This is too choppy. Too much for me, guys. I am probably done for the day. I'm still going to be staying until probably about 10:15, another half hour. But look at these wicks here, guys. PPI has destroyed the market right now. Let it pick up more volume coming in. Okay. Give it about maybe 5-10 minutes. Watch that hourly swap on 10 a.m. We might get some better trading. Okay. And there's nothing anyone can do on this. All right. We just got to sit and watch it. Gold was the best. Okay. To be honest with you, I think everyone was probably buying gold thinking it's going to go to 1930, 1928, 29. So let's see if it's going to drop continuing. There it goes. Okay, and let's take a look at the Dow and NASDAQ here real quick. Look at the, oh my goodness, just a shit show. Look at this brutal movement, guys. NASDAQ dropping down. Okay, look at, oh my goodness. Even NASDAQ, guys, look at these wicks. It's hard to do this live, I'm not going to lie to you. This is type of trade where I would probably just seal it off and call it a day. But look at what we got going on here. Look at all these wicks. Okay, let's see the drop here. You can see US 30. Too much, guys. And we'll watch gold. Gold, people want to see here. There it goes. Again, guys, sentiment, a lot of people are saying that gold, not gold, sorry, but indices are going to make a comeback, looking at bullish direction, but I would be very careful on that for the quick term pullbacks. Okay, overall trend is bullish. All right. And there goes gold picking up some volume on the 1 minute. Okay, look at US 30 here still. Oh my goodness. You guys want to know what a heart attack is? It's these indices today. As much as I want to be funny, it is the truth. This is horrible, horrible trading. This is like eating Big Macs 24/7 for 365. Yeah, absolutely, Ben. Big earnings today. Okay, and look at NASDAQ here, still pushing. German 30 rejection. And then you can see GU. And there's the DXY here, guys. So 101,700 is coming for a retest. Okay. A lot of wicks coming at 101,850. Okay, let's see if we can break here, guys. If that's the case, we're looking for another buy coming in, probably to that high 33979. If we get rejected here, this is going to be another clean rejection coming back down. All right, so okay, there's US 30, there it goes. Okay. All we need is one clean move, guys, and this is going to be heavy for all of us. All we need is one clean move here. Watch your spreads, guys. Okay, this is where spreads come into play. We're coming right to the new hourly swap. All right, look at these long wicks here. All right, look at the clean rejection. Let's monitor everything accordingly. I'm watching now 10 a.m. Okay, again, like I said, if it does continue past that level, I will look for a buy opportunity coming to the high. If we get rejected and we close and start to get at that 33909 area, can look for an opportunity for this price to get back down to the previous wick, 33860. Okay, so I'm going to wait until probably 10 and then go from there. Okay, so NASDAQ is bullish, guys. You can see we're testing that 11,632 area again. And let's go take a peek at gold real quick. Okay, gold got pushed down. So gold, let's see if we can get back down to 1917. Dave, is there an entry? Maybe 3 to 5 pips. So I'm going to wait until 10. Like I mentioned to you, I don't like this trading right now. I want to see that new hourly volume come in. All right. And I hope you guys feel me and you guys are on the same page. It's important to, when you get into these areas in this type of situation, no trade is probably the best trade, as stated before from a lot of the guys in the group. And Sonia, I know you know that. You think gold is bullish? I could see a gold bounce at 1917-19 area for sure. 1918, 1917. All right. That's the case. We'll watch and see here. We got to see if we can even get below 1919. The DXY is looking bearish as F. I agree with you, man. Guys, okay, so we got about 5 minutes and 30 seconds here, okay? 5 minutes and 30 seconds, all right? It doesn't look like price is starting to close above for US 30, okay? So we're going to watch, see that 10 a.m. volume. Gold looks like it's getting some volume coming in here, all right? So all eyes for me and should be for you as well at 10 a.m., okay? Guys, let me ask you a question here. Would you guys want to be a part of this? We already were once at impulsive moves, but this is something that if you guys were trading on your own, Do you guys not think that this thing would blow accounts? I had two people on this stream saying that they whipped their accounts. Over leveraging and not holding true to their overall trades. If they held their gold sells, probably would be in profit, but they over leveraged to the point where they probably couldn't hold. Okay, so nothing's closing above, guys. 33940. Okay, 33950. A lot of wicks, a lot of rejections coming in here. All right, and there you go. There's the resistance coming in. There goes NASDAQ. There's German 30. Okay. Okay, so this right now looks bearish. Okay, this thing looks like it's going to break the support, probably come back down to 33843. All right, so let's watch and see here the new hourly volume step in about 4 minutes. Sorry, just under 3 coming in. Let's take a look at gold here too. Gold is still trying, guys. Okay, just under 2 minutes left here, guys. Coming in, sorry, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Let's watch and see what we got going on here. Okay, Dow, like I said, guys, Dow, take a look at it. Nice resistance coming in, still holding, okay? NASDAQ, still holding strong too. Brad, where did you see this? Can you drop that link for me, bro? I didn't have anything on the FX factory. Look at GU still getting ready. And then look at the DXY here. Okay, all indices are kind of flipping bullish. Okay, you can see NASDAQ is leading the way here. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so we're still bouncing in here. NASBY, I'm going to leave it till that 10 a.m. switch before we do anything, okay? But again, above 33950 is where I'm taking my buy on the Dow, okay? Personally. Brad, okay, makes sense. I know the higher ups are having big conferences today, so that'll be really interesting to see how that's going to be released coming out. Gold is still a sell. Watch and see. Say we're holding that 1920 support. Okay. So do you see what I said about the pending orders, guys? Do you guys understand how I erased that one, waited for a gold to make a bigger move, and then entered it at 1924? You guys can see on the free FX group that that was the trade that I took. Nothing before then on gold. Okay. I still think that, you know, gold has a lot of opportunity to the downside. Okay. It's going to make a retracement, just like pretty much everything does. And then we're going to watch and see what happens after the retracement. All right. Fuck. There. Holy shit, guys. Look at that impulsive 10 a.m. Look at that push. Holy shit, look at that, guys. So another rejection at that key level here. Watch NASDAQ. NASDAQ pushed. This is so tight of a range, guys. This is insane to watch. Look at these candles, guys. This is hurting my eyes. So we're going to stay for about 15, 20 more minutes, and we're going to see how this is going to play out. See Goldie here. Look at gold, guys. All right, so there's your retracement. Let's see if it's going to break down below. And there's your US 30 rip down, and gold is selling off. Okay, let's see if NASDAQ is selling off as well. Okay, what do we have on NASDAQ on the hourly? Look at that big momentum. And we're still ripping to the upside here. Okay, so if NASDAQ is going bullish, guys, we're going to 11,700. Okay, maybe the Dow will follow. We'll watch and see. But that's the key level I'm looking for on NASDAQ. Okay. So they gapped that up pretty fast, guys. So you can see the moves that happened at 10 a.m. So we're going to wait for this candle to close. There goes NAS. Let's watch the Dow as well. I'm looking for NAS at 11,700 to make a more of a bigger move. Okay, if you buy now, guys, I would wait for the pullback. Personally, I still think that 11,632 has some good selling area. All right. Yeah, we should have watched NASDAQ, unfortunately. Dow Jones is really horrible, guys. You can see what we got going on here. Another rejection coming down. A lot of rejection coming at that 33950. Nothing is breaking there. You can see a lot of supply, a lot of sellers just sitting there waiting. But the thing is, you can see a lot of buyers sitting there waiting too. This is just too much consolidation for anyone to kind of trade. Okay. So let's take a quick look at the DXY. And it always happens like this, guys. We choose one and then the other one makes a bigger move. Okay, and here we go with that short DXY move coming to the downside. Okay, and this thing is going to retest. If we break here, guys, we're coming right back down. If we hold here, this looks like an inverse head, okay, which maybe can push price back up to 1019. Okay, there goes the Dow here. Okay, so nice rejection coming in. Nothing closing above. This looks like selling territory. I like NASDAQ set up a bit better. The Dow looks very promising in terms of sells. Okay, so we're going to watch and see right at that 33859, okay, 33845 area. All right. So there's the NAS buy. Okay. And then there goes gold. This market is so shitty, guys. Okay, NASDAQ. Let's go take a peek at NASDAQ real quick. Okay, look at NAS. I'm going to get some key levels for us, guys, here too. Give me 2 seconds here. Okay. All right. And here's the first 5-minute candle, as always. Okay, the first 5-minute, and there goes gold, guys. Gold just dumped. Hedgehog patterns are bearish? Absolutely. No idea what a hedgehog pattern is. I would really like to know. Does anyone know what a hedgehog pattern is? And right back down to 1917. Hey, new candle open up here. Let's see what we got going on. I don't know, guys. It's somewhat about a hedgehog pattern. I would love to know what that is. Oh, hedgehog spike. Okay, I get what you're saying now. Perfect. Okay, there's the Dow again. Oh, Jesus, man. This is giving me a fucking heart attack. Pardon my French. Oh yeah, someone renaming their trading package the hedgehog. The hedgehog. The hedgehog group. All right, so selling is in the stakes for Nasdaq. Sorry, for the Dow Jones. Nasdaq is still ripping up. Okay, short-term pullback. Let's watch and see if once we tap that 11,700. Okay, looking really good. And give me about 5 minutes, guys. We'll have something ready to go here. Yeah, the Dow is ooey. I agree with you there. It's ooey gooey. Sean, 0.5%, call it a day. I would call it a day, man, and just walk away from this right now. 10:15, 10:30 is probably going to be a little bit better trading time. Okay, but Nasdaq was beautiful, guys. If you caught that sell, you could have been money, 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 and if you caught the buy, you could have been money, money, money. Both were very beautiful. Okay, you can see that Dow was just a shit show. Nothing closed above, so no trades were taken here. The only trade I really took on the Dow was this impulsive candle right there, and then it shot right back down. Okay, and then you can see it's just been in and out ever since. Okay, so this thing looks good. You can see Goldie is starting to find some retracement right back down at 1917. All right, and then everything else is starting to get its nice little momentum continuations. GU's holding. Okay, there's that inverse like we kind of talked about here. Let's see if there's going to be follow through. If they get rejection again here, price is coming right back down to 101,700. Okay, Goldie's retracing. Nasdaq and Dow very opposite right now. There goes gold getting some support. Nas is my favorite too, Sherry. I like it. I even like SP 500. You can do a little bit larger of a lot size and not have it run as crazy. Okay, there's the Dow here. Let's see what we got going on. I'm just waiting to see if US 30 is going to follow Nasdaq in any kind of sense. You can see Nasdaq is very bullish here. Okay, beautiful breakout above 11,632. All right, I want to see if Dow Jones is going to have that momentum. All right, it still looks pretty bearish if we close below here, guys. That was the once level where the buying happened, and you can see now heavy resistance sellers coming in at 33900. Okay, so give me 5 minutes. All right, I was saying that before. I just had to message someone. We're going to get this ready to go here. We're going to put some other levels on here to start. Gold is back selling off. Okay, you can see Nasdaq is having a little bit of retracement too, and then gold is pushing back down. I'm ready for Nasdaq on this trade here, guys. There goes the Dow selling off. Okay, I am ready for NASDAQ. And this happened yesterday where we ended the call and NASDAQ ran for over 120 pips on the sell. Okay, so we're going to watch and see just what kind of levels are being produced and then go from there. We can see them obviously ourselves, all right? But I just want to get some levels coming in here to see where key support and resistance is going to happen. Okay, so there's the pullback. Okay, and we'll take a look one more time at that dollar index. Trying to push, okay, and it's getting rejected. Okay, Dow is a heavy sell. Okay, so I'm looking at NASDAQ to do the kind of same thing. I'm watching 11,632 for that selling opportunity here. Okay. Okay, there we go. All right, guys, I'm waiting here for these to come in and for this 15-minute candle to come into play. Okay. I'm ready to rock here, guys. The Dow is selling off here. Nice. NASDAQ. Okay, and got 2 minutes left here. And we're looking pretty good so far. Let's take a look at that gold here. The Dow, there we go, guys. Remember we talked about the resistance, breaking of structure. We're coming right back down to that 33843. Okay, Goldie is testing the levels here again. All right, 1919, you can see is acting as heavy resistance. Okay, I still think that we can get down to at least 1915 on gold, maybe 1912. Okay, 1910 you can see was a nice level here as they build a critical support system that led price to push to the upside. But you know, we're still in that trend. We're still right around that 200 EMA. If you want to throw it on here, you can see it. Okay, just right below here. So that would be a target for me if price wants to drop continuously right back down to that 1912 level. Okay. And US 30 picking up some volume. Okay, NASDAQ here, guys. Let's put this down here. Okay. So there's this short starting to come into play here on NASDAQ. Let's watch and see what's going to happen right here. Okay. 11,623. One of two things is going to happen here, okay? And it's pretty straightforward. I'm sure you guys understand this. Price is going to come back down here. This critical level you can see is acting as resistance, okay? We're either going to find some support here and walk back up and make a high at 11,700, or we're going to break this critical support and then start to drop back down to 11,600, okay? Personally, I'm watching price as soon as we get there, all right? So give us some time. We're going to see how it's going to react. Dow is holding a little bit. There goes gold right back down to 1915. Okay, so guys, I told you I was bearish towards gold the entire time, and this is why. It just took some time. Okay, gold manipulates the shit out of price. All right, and you can see that when you just have some patience, right? Even if you held, guys, from maybe 1919, 1920, all right, you could still end up getting out of this at break even or a little bit of pips. Okay, so this 1915.5 is a critical support. Okay, so watch the pullback starting to happen. Okay, and then if we break this, guys, we're coming back down to 1912. Okay, so let's watch and see if we can get back down to that actually 1912.2. That's going to be my gold analysis. Okay, I'm watching for the pullbacks to start to happen here. If we find support at 1915 and we get that DXY push, which will be in the sell position, then this thing is going to find that critical support here. Okay, so, and then we got the Dow finding some support. And NASDAQ as well. Okay. Okay, let's see the Dow here. Still getting rejected, guys. All right. Let's watch and see what we got going on. What indices do I trade the most, guys? Most likely NASDAQ and SP. I do trade the Dow a lot, but I don't always like the moves that it gives. Obviously, it gives out massive moves, but I follow more of the companies in NASDAQ than I do the Dow Jones. Okay, so there's another rejection. Let's see NASDAQ here. Okay, guys, watch this NAS sell here. Okay, we need to close below. Okay, there we go, guys. Let's see here. We're testing it now. Shit. 1896. Okay, members. I got some stuff for you here. Dow buy. Okay. Not sell. There it goes, guys. There it goes. Did anyone get that? I'm running 20 pips. Okay, this is what I was waiting for, guys. I don't give a shit about anything else but this. There we go. Let's see. Oh, yeah. 30 pips, guys. Fuck yeah. Oh, she gone. Yes, gold, guys. Let's go. Finally. Shit. Let's see if we can tap on NASDAQ, guys. I mean, yeah. I'm running 30 pips, guys. I'm very happy with 30 pips on this. I am out of this. And I'm going to take a screenshot for you guys just beforehand here. 11655. Okay. And I am out at 25 pips, guys. I'm going to share this with you right now. Fuck, man, take some time here. Don't get greedy. Okay, and you can see what's happening here. Big retracement coming back down, guys. Let's see here. US 30, she's holding that 338, exactly the same level as kind of was the support in previous structure. Okay, and then Goldie 1915.5. Okay, so now we're holding critical support here, and that should be about it, guys. Listen, did anyone get that NASDAQ sell? I did mention that I was looking at grabbing NASDAQ below 11,632. If you guys did, that was probably the trade of the day besides gold. Okay. The Dow Jones was a piece of shit all day, pardon my French, but it was. Okay. But that happens, guys. This is real trading. Okay. This is real trading. This is not a joke. All right. So when I say also I'm securing, there's a reason why. Because let me show you. If you didn't secure, you're now pissing away all that profit that you waited about 10, 15 minutes for. Look what we got going on down here. Okay. We had buyers stepping in here. Okay. Look at the overall trend. Okay. Still bullish. All right. This level was a big impulsive drop. All right. And you can see they picked up some volume here as previous wicks did. And now we're coming right back to break even. All right. Okay, guys, so that was it. Listen, this market today was horrible. Okay, absolutely horrible. I hope you guys understand that, you know, these types of markets are going to come into play here, but if you stay patient, you guys can really do some damage. If you guys rush trades, then it's going to be tough. Like I had guys who were telling me they did like 8 to 15 trades. Like that's way too much, guys. Listen, there are guys out there on YouTube who I learned from and stuff like that. One of the best traders that I've seen, he only takes 1 to 3 trades per day. That's it. And he uses his leverage available to his account. Once I adapted that strategy, you know, it's game over. You don't need to be rifling off 1,000 trades. If you guys have $1 million account and you guys are doing 100 lots, multiple orders, congratulations, for real. Okay. If you guys have $50,000 to $100,000 accounts, you know, then you use an account lot size. Then you use a lot size that is acceptable for your account. And if you guys don't know what one is, okay, if you guys don't know what one is, make sure to look it up. That should be your homework. Not trying to get into trades. It should be managing your risk before anything. Okay. So guys, that's it. Today was a good day. Okay. I'm not going to stay much more. We got our nice little impulsive drop trade here. US 30 as well. Jumped off after all that big rejection wicks, both buying and selling. Gold finally hit some TPs, okay, and now is getting a bounce. All right. So oil actually had a massive bounce from the critical support at 81.23. Okay. So other than that, guys, like I said, we will resume same time, same channel tomorrow. Okay. I want you to watch 11,000, this critical level here. Okay. I'm going to take a screenshot and send this to the group. If this breaks this support level, okay, this thing is falling back down to 11,530. Okay. It's coming right back down here if we break. All right. That's the type of trade we can look for today if we get that momentum. All right. So we'll update this based on that. And I hope everyone has a good day. We'll resume same time, same channel tomorrow. Thanks for sticking it out with me, guys. I wanted to do that just so we could get a nice little trade to end the stream. All right. So guys, I will see you then. And we will see you tomorrow at 7 to 7:30 Eastern Standard Time for a few hours. Okay. All right, guys. God bless. Have a good day. We'll see you then. Peace out. Oh, guys, one last thing. Sorry, I got someone mentioning a member here. Guys, if you want to join, we do have a group here. Like I said, these trades have been taken, and we did have some pretty good trades running. You can see in the Free FX group. Okay, just take a browse through here. Okay, we got something pretty cool that we're going to be announcing in like 2 weeks. All right, and but that's our group, guys. So check it out here. I don't want to go into it too much. Just wanted to kind of get it on the stream just in case you guys have any questions about it. All right. Okay, guys. We'll see you then. Have a good one. God bless. Bye-bye. Hey guys, good morning, welcome to another live session of Stocksnipertrading. My name is Dave, guys, my partner's Ron. Let's get down to business here, guys.
In on US 30, sell, okay? I'm jumping in. Guys, that's a 100 pip drop. Yes, we caught it. Hey, guys, 200 pips, please, secure.
Trading with a perfect broker is the key, which takes you one step ahead. At AAAFX, we have you covered. The future of Forex is zero commission. Here at AAAFX, we offer ultra-low commission, which starts at 99 cents per lot. Our account's spreads start from 0.0 pips. With account leverage up to 500x, and can have a minimum deposit of $100, with an additional 100% deposit bonus, regulated by HCMC Greece, compliant with ESMA. EU, regulated with FSCA, South Africa. Nothing to lose, but something to gain. Trade with the world's most liquid market provider, AFX, recommended by Stocksnipertrading. To get started, use the affiliate link below.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stocksnipertrading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.